welcome to another video. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how much money I made in 11 days as an owner operator. I'm going to break down my expenses, and I'm going to break down my gross, and then I'm going to give you my profit at the end. Now before we get into this video, I'm going to need three things from you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get right into the video, man. Okay, I am about to break down what I made in 11 days as a owner operator driving by myself. So first thing we are going to start out with is the gross income. So the gross income, we did a total of 3 loads in 11 days. So the first load paid $64.65, so $64.65. Then you want to add this to $2,000. And then you want to add this to $4,300. So all of these combined, this is going to get you $64.65 plus $2,000 plus $4,300. You get a total of, we're just gonna put it down here. You get a total of $12,765. On fuel, we spent a total of $32.90. Now for expenses, what I did was prorate everything, and prorate pretty much means you add everything up and then divide it by the amount of days. So this is going to go for my insurance, truck note, trailer note, my trailer repairs, truck repairs. I'm just putting this all into the same category as my expenses. So my expenses for this 11 days was $3,000. So my expenses was $3,000. Total number of miles that I drove during this time was 4,800 miles during this time. And then to get the rate per mile, we take this 13,000 divided by 4,800. So 13,000 divided by 4,800, and we get a total of my bad, not 13,000, not exactly 13,000. My bad. So we're gonna do 12,765. Divide that by 4,800, and you get $2.65 per mile. And then the profit, we're just gonna take this, subtract it from the fuel and the expenses. So we get 12,765 minus 32.90. Then you subtract that from 3,000, and you get a profit of $64.75 in 11 days. If you want to divide that by 11, you divide that by 11, and you get a total of $588 per day on average. YouTube, that is the end of today's video, man. Just giving y'all some short bangers, man. Just throwing some good information out there, breaking some numbers down for y'all, just so y'all can have an idea of what you can make owning a truck, whether you are the driver, whether you're an owner operator, and just for some motivation. So if you made it to the end of this video, I'm going to need you to put TRF, hard work pays off. Again, TRF, hard work pays off, man, because when you work hard, you are going to get rewarded every time, even if it takes years for the rewards to come. So just make sure you grinding, make sure you locked in, make sure you growing. It's the end of the year, man. We are going into a new year. Please go into it motivated, dedicated, determined, inspired, motivated, all of the above, man. But that is the end of today's video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, man. Shh.